Samsung is preparing to make waves in the foldable smartphone market with the anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 7, showcasing a fresh design coupled with notable hardware upgrades. One of the most discussed aspects of the Flip 7 is its compact and slim design. Rumors suggest that the new model will be 10% thinner than its predecessor, bringing the folded thickness to approximately 13.5 millimeters. Renowned industry insider Ross Young also predicts a significant upgrade in the display department. With a 6.85-inch foldable screen and a 4-inch cover display. These panels, both 120Hz dynamic AMOLED, promise brighter visuals, improved color accuracy, and possibly a major reduction in the notorious screen crease thanks to Samsung's advanced ultra-thin glass technology. The Flip 7 is rumored to be powered by the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, clocking at 4.47 GHz. Coupled with 16 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB, the phone is expected to deliver top-tier performance. AI capabilities will likely take center stage, with Samsung reportedly introducing new features potentially integrated into a paid AI subscription service. The camera system is also a focal point. While official details are scarce, speculation suggests the inclusion of an under-display selfie camera for the foldable display, enabling an uninterrupted viewing experience. Users can also utilize the rear camera for high-quality selfies via the enhanced cover display. As for the rear setup, a dual-camera system, including a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens and 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, is expected to continue from previous models with potential optimizations. When it comes to power, this Flip model comes equipped with a 4,000 mAh battery, offering improved fast charging to support its robust feature set. Connectivity options include 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC, ensuring seamless interaction with modern networks and accessories. It will ship with One UI 7 based on Android 15, aligning the user interface with the latest in mobile operating systems. Expected to launch in July 2025, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 aims to retain its competitive pricing with a starting price of $1,099. The Flip 7 is expected to build upon its predecessor, the Flip 6, by incorporating Samsung's latest in-house Exynos 2500 chipset. Early leaks hint at Samsung's efforts to enhance the Exynos 2500's capabilities, signaling a focus on delivering flagship-level performance. However, this device won't be the only flip phone Samsung will introduce in 2025. Another addition to the lineup is the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. It is a budget-friendly counterpart designed to make foldable technology accessible to a broader audience. According to Jukin Lozrev, the FE model will likely feature the same display as the Flip 7, but compromise on specifications such as the camera and processor, opting for the Exynos 2400E chipset, also used in the Galaxy S24 FE. Priced approximately $200 to $300 less than the flagship model, the Z Flip 7 FE could inject fresh momentum into the foldable market. According to Ross Young, the Flip FE is anticipated to launch alongside the Flip 7 and Fold 7 in early 2025. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Samsung's exciting new lineup.